So, now that we've learned how a simple circuit works, let's learn about ways we can change that circuit to incorporate renewable energy. A solar panel can be used as a substitute for the battery we used in our circuit. Solar energy is a renewable form of energy, unlike other forms of energy like coal, oil, or natural gas. This means that solar energy does not rely on a finite or expendable resource like fossil fuels. Using forms of renewable energy is important for combating climate change, which is in part caused by the burning of fossil fuels by humans. So, how do solar panels convert the sun's energy into electricity we can use? Solar panels are actually made up of many smaller units called photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic simply means they convert sunlight into electricity. These cells linked together make up a solar panel. Each photovoltaic cell is basically a sandwich made up of two sides of semiconducting material, usually silicon, the same stuff used in microelectronics. Conductivity is the measure of the ease at which an electric charge or heat can pass through a material. When the N-type and P-type silicon comes into contact, free electrons on the N side jump to open spots on the P side, establishing an electric field. This field then helps push electrons from the positive side to the negative side. When photons, produced by the energy in sunlight, hit the photovoltaic cell, they push the electrons out of their holes, and the electric field sends the electrons to the negative side and out of the silicon junction. These excited electrons flow to create electricity. A couple of other components of the cell turn these electrons into usable power. Metal conductive plates on the sides of the cell collect the electrons and transfer them to wires. At that point, the electrons can flow like any other source of electricity. Solar panels can be used for many different purposes, from using a single solar panel to power a parking meter, to solar farms like this one in Virginia, belonging to Amazon Web Services. What other uses can you think of for solar panels?
Thank you again for watching our video series. As we've learned, solar energy is an important form of sustainable energy which we can harness to provide electricity in ways that are healthy to the environment. You now know how to build a simple circuit, which, with the right materials, could light up an LED bulb using a solar cell. We hope that you will continue being curious about circuitry and engineering, and hope you'll try out the incredible resources available online to learn. From me and the rest of the team, take care, and please reach out if you have any questions.